Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I want us to look at the following clip.
But before I do that, I just want to point out how beautifully done this website is. Not that that is the end all be all, but often if a website is really ugly looking, it doesn't give me any hope for the UI of the app itself to be aesthetically pleasing.
I totally agree with him. Well-designed website is really important, and why this company latterly has a really nice looking website and probably generates some trust and some sales only from the design. We'll get into right now. Okay, let's dive right in. First of all, I'm Chris. I'm the founder of Junglebyrd, your web design and process automation agency for digital marketing. So let's jump right into it. This is the hero section of Letterly. Letterly itself is like a AI app where you can speak into, and it summarizes your voice and turns it into written text, into notes, into emails you want to send out, stuff like that. But today we focus on the website, and as we see here, the hero section, it's a dark background, and we can already see in the middle we have a radial gradient with some more brighter blue, and it's actually moving. Yeah, it's actually turning in circles. So that's a really cool animation, and it seems already super clean, and the radiant gives it a nice shine. Also up here on the left side, the logo of Letterly, the eyes of the microphone are moving to left and right. I think that's also a cool animation. Also, we can see here that they're on Product Hunt. They implemented this. Also, for the call to action buttons, we clearly see that they want us to download the app. We have the App Store, the Google Play, and also on the top right, we have another download button. So, I mean, it's an app, so of course they want you to download it. Yeah, so here we actually have the trigger for the visitor to actually scroll down, because it's a important point to actually get the user scrolling down from the hero section to see more of the product. So they did it well. They teased a bit some phone screens here, and probably when you're on the website you want to see what's written on the phone screens. So you're gonna scroll. You can see the layout of the app, the notes that you took, and here you can rewrite. They have that option. Here we have a example on how this can be used. Here we have the person talking into the phone, and then an email being created from it. The funny thing is, the email got created with AI, and it still puts in, "I hope this message finds you well." Something, that's basically shouldn't be part of an email, I think. This is also a video, so you can actually watch it, which is cool, which is a nice little gimmick. Just visualizes the app way better than just images. So now I think everybody understands how this app works just by watching this video. And of course, we have here the features: voice to text, people that love using it, so some trust, social trust, some reviews that are much needed for apps like this. Here we have some use cases. When to use Letterly, it's a nice slider section, not too much text, and just basic big points that are speaking for the app, what the app can do. Here a little fact in a box, and the words are actually marked, the important words, which gives a better impression to understand actually the sentences. And I think this is a really good sentence, because it showcases that talking into your phone is actually faster than typing, which speaks for the app in the end. So this is a really smart sentence to put here. And here we have features, so like benefits that the app has, showcased in like a 3-column grid, the typical 3-column grid, but here we have 3 times 2, so 6. And at the end, we have the last call to action, to try Letterly for free, which is a smart move, I guess, to offer it for free. And also right away, you can just point your phone here to the QR code and download the app. They just took care of everything, that you can download this app really, really fast. Also, they have a banner here, Get Letterly, with a QR code that's there all the way when you scroll. So they just want you to download the app as easy as possible, which is smart for sure. And down here they have a blog and the footer section. So overall the website has a clear structure, and as for the color scheme, Letterly actually used 2 colors on this website. One's this dark blue, dark violet, and the lighter version of it, this cream pink, I would say. These are the main colors. The background color is this pink. During the whole site they use the violet as part of these boxes that also showcase different sections. So I think it's a nice contrast. It's clean. You have one dark color, one brighter color, but they match together. But they also use here and there some accent colors like this green, or in the text they're writing the yellow and also the green again. So they use punctuated detailing color, but overall it's a really clean website where the colors are only two, and of course they also use white and black for fonts, but yeah, it doesn't really change a lot. It's still clean even though it has black and white and these two colors and some excess colors. Overall it doesn't seem overloaded in color and it's still super clean, so that's also something that's really well done and really well thought through. It's actually not a lot of crazy animation going on, which is totally fine. You don't need that much to make a good website, ironically, but they have one-pager website, so the navigation bar up here actually links down to the page, the one-pager, but they have a separate update site which shows the newest addings to their product, and here they have a small sticky scroll animation which is really fitting. So on the left side they have the header, on the right side the image, and the header stays until the end of the image, which is a cool animation that's actually quite fitting and helps the user navigate or understand the whole page better, or understand each update better that they posted here. The font that Letterly is using actually is a Google font, or you can find it on Google Fonts. It's called Bricolage Grotesque, and it's a sans serif font. I think it's really cool, clean font with some details here. The F, for example, the letters have just some minimal cut-ins. I don't know how to explain it, but here, yeah, at the H you can see a cut-in here. So I think it's a cool font and it fits right in. And I made it probably bold here, but I think it's a really clean font and perfectly fit. Yeah, so overall I think it's a really well designed website. Not too much overload, clean colors, clean type font, enough space between different sections, not a lot of text, but simple to understand text. So that I think it's really optimal solution for any website.